During my many years as a psychiatrist, I have been often asked, what one thing do you recommend to help me live a fulfilling life? The answer for me is very simple. Find your passion. For many years, I would feel a lack of passion. I would hang out with a number of friends, but we would always do the same thing, over and over and over again. The conversation would be the same, the places we would go would be the same. The experience became boring. That is not living a life of passion. You will find your passion when you engage the world, not when you're sitting at home. So get out in that world and find those things that you like. It will be unmistakable when you find your passion. You will be consumed with the fire of enjoyment and involvement. You will know that that is your passion. I discovered my passion a few years ago. I was invited to speak to a high school class. The time was to be 30 minutes in length. However, I was surprised how intensely the students engaged me. They asked me all sorts of questions about myself, about me, my life, my profession. This continued for 90 minutes, way beyond the scheduled time. When I walked out of that room, when the time was up and the class was over, I walked out of that room and I felt like I was on cloud 9. I had never felt such a high in my life. When I felt that, I said to myself, what's going on here? And then I realized that my passion is mentoring students. I ask you to look into your very souls and find out what excites you, what makes you happy, what makes you fulfilled. Go out there, engage the world, and live a passionate life. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this was relevant to your needs. Please make your comments below. As always, I remind you, drink, and drink abundantly from the fountain of life. See you next time.